Welcome back, my friends. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and you're watching Sprinkler TV. Today, we're gonna take a look at the Dawn Claw. This is the TK300 turf knife. The claw, because it's like a claw. Don't put this in your luggage. Don't take it through security. They will take it from you. I don't know why I just thought of that, but it looks like a pretty sharp knife. And for that reason, just keep it in your toolbox. Don't put it in your pocket either. Here's what it is. Here's what it looks like. Not a whole heck of a lot to talk about other than to give you a little look, close-up look at the turf knife and talk about where you might use it. Oh, look at that, made in Taiwan. So where would you use a knife like this, you might ask? And the first thing that comes to my mind is for repairing sprinklers. So if you have a broken sprinkler and you want to repair it, you know you don't have to dig up your whole yard to do that. You can either take a shovel and cut a nice donut around the sprinkler, remove the sod, or you can take the turf knife and you can cut a donut out around your sprinkler, remove the soil, unscrew the sprinkler, screw on the new one, and you've made your replacement. So this is a really handy knife for cutting, just like it says, turf, for sod. You could probably use it to, I don't know, do some weeding too. You know, you don't want to probably dull up the blade too much, but that's why it is the turf knife. That's why irrigators might need it. And if you are a do-it-yourselfer, if you fix your own sprinklers, you might pick up one of these. Keep it in your toolbox, keep it in your pail, keep it in your arsenal. And if you have one of these, let us know what you think. Do you use it? Is it helpful? What have I missed not talking about with the turf knife that you'd want to know? Comment down below. We do respond to comments always within just a couple hours, so please leave us one. And if there's anything else we can help you with, you've got questions about your irrigation system, if your valves aren't coming on, if your sprinklers are clogged, if you want to replace something, just let us know. We're happy to help. You can reach us by phone, chat, email, text message. And until the next episode of Sprinkler TV, happy sprinkling, my friends. We'll see you then.